Hi guys, this is Shaunak and you're watching Computer Beings. This is recorded via Bandicam and it's this video is going to be for how to analyze your computer from inside. So today we are going to open Task Manager from the taskbar and going towards the performance. First going to the CPU, this has shown the gigahertz. Here is the base speed of this CPU. Mine is 2.4. When my other laptop goes to 4 gigahertz, and its base speed is up to somewhat around 2.9 or 3, somewhere around. And just notice this uptime shouldn't be too much big, because the more the uptime it is, the more backend and services errors and everything gather around. You should restart your PC or your system very frequently, within 2-3 days, if you keep it on regularly or every day. This is our memory. Mine is 8 GB RAM. Right now I am available with 7.7 GB of RAM, and I am cached 1.5 GB. This is committed GB. This is a page pool. This is a page pool of 22.3 GB. I'm going to make another video how to increase and deflate, how to increase and decrease the page pool. I'm going to make a different video on that also. It's very useful, because when the applications start, they need some memory. If already some memory is allotted, then the CPU pages the memory and empties the actual memory, and opens the application much faster, because there's an available memory in the RAM actually. Going towards the disk, this is my SATA SSD. It's almost 2 Gbps of speed. Its type is SSD, but I say it's an SATA SSD. My laptop version is quite 6th generation or 7th generation, so it's quite older. So it attaches it attaches SATA SSD. Sorry. There are many other advanced SSDs like NVMe and other more, which are quite much faster. NVMe is very quite smaller, but and quite expensive, and pretty much quite faster than all SSDs. My SSD is also very faster one, so that's why there is very uh, low percentage of occupation, because all the process has been already done. This is my Wi-Fi. I have a quite fast Wi-Fi. This is the Qualcomm wireless adapter. Here where the all the information for the Wi-Fi is shown, all the ups and downs, all the downloads and uploads, and how much data transfer is going on. This is my GPU. It's my integrated GPU. It's a part of a RAM. Uh, it's a very important thing to remember. There are two types of GPU: integrated and dedicated. A dedicated is a different kind of GPU, different from CPU. There are in many laptops there are different cooling system for both of them, and they are dedicated GPU are much faster, because they are work independently. They have their own processing and own RAM to work on, and this integrated GPU works on the memory itself. That's why it's a limitation of memory going on. This is how services. This is all the services we can see here. The all services going on. This is MySQL, the NetPerform, and many more. All the services run over here. You have to, if you work advanced and need to turn off and turn on all the services, you operate from here. Going to back to performance, if you want more details about your PC in detail, how much it's working and what in detail it's going on inside. You can see inside the resource monitor. You can explore and see whatever you need to see inside this. The same thing comes up, but in everything gets in more detail. You can see it was showing just network like simple, but it's showing how TCP, the network activity listing ports. It's very important about this process bar. This CPU and the memory is always stays high because there are applications running on, so not to worry. But the CPU, you may find that your laptop is getting heated. That's not quite a problem because even if CPU is running on to 1 or 2%, it might be quite hotter, but that's a no issue. It's all fine, and my GPU is also working like 12%, I suppose. Yeah, I'm recording right now, that's why. So this is how you will explore your system inside from like a shallow. I will make and definitely make on the page pool a new video and upload. So thank you guys. Share and subscribe and like also, and support me so that I will share more videos upon on how to understand your computer from inside and more, and how it would help much more. Thank you.